Hi guys, it's me Priceless Beauty, and today I'm going to be doing an eye makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be doing my eyebrow and eyeshadow. So I hope you enjoy this. Please like, subscribe and comment down below.
Everything you're fighting for. Everything you're fighting for.
So this is how it looks like after I clean it up. This is how it looks like. So the next thing I do is to go in with my brow gel. So this is my brow gel. I've got darker one and a lighter one. This is the light brown one. If I want my eyebrow really dark, I use the darker one.
Everything you're fighting for.
So if there's anything that I miss when I use the brow gel, it just covered it. And this is the finished result. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe and comment down below. Please like, subscribe and comment down below. So watch my next video while I do my eyeshadow. Thank you. Bye. Hey guys, so this is the finished look of the eyebrow. I said I will come back and show when I finish my whole makeup, and this is how the eyebrow look, and this is the close-up of the eyeshadow. So comment down below what you think. If you think I did a great job with the eyebrow, or if you think I did a great job with the eyeshadow. Look at that. Flawless. I love this color. Isn't it a brilliant color to end the year? Look at this. Popping to end the year 2019. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm popping. I'm popping. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm popping. The girl is popping. Happy 2019 in advance. And Merry Christmas to you too. Have a fun day.